guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Goomba from Mario. This is easy pictures to draw. So let's get started. I'm going to choose from one of my markers here. Alright, so let's get going on this. Goomba's really simple. Let's grab a marker and let's do it. Oh, actually this marker is a little bit dry. One of these. So it kind of looks like a mushy triangle, his head shape. The Goombas are really cool. And then we're going to draw the eyes. The eyebrows have they kind of flare out, like outside of the entire body. And draw the eye. Then the other eye. And the pupil and iris are kind of pretty much just one. Just try to draw a circle there and leave that for the eye of the, what do you call it? Leave it for the, leave it for the, leave that for the highlight. Sorry. My words escape me. Bottom of the mouth. Teeth. Gonna start the body. The body is basically like a ball. That's gonna be the foot. Then the other foot's gonna be kind of at the back, kind of that overlapping. And what I want to do is I'm probably going to make the outer contour thicker because I like that look. I think it looks kind of neat when you do that. That's pretty much it. That's a Goomba from Mario. I really hope that was easy enough for you to follow. It's a lot of fun, a lot of good times. If you liked it, if it was simple enough for you to follow, click that like button and share the video. Share it anywhere. Share it on, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And I'll see you guys soon. All right, see you tomorrow.